Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I'm here to do a Valentine's Day makeup look. So this one is going to be a good one. I will be I have kind of already did a little bit. So what I'm using is the Wet n Wild face primer, and I'm using the Revlon 24-hour Color Stay in 410 Cappuccino. So we have a new pressed powder today we're going to be using. So let's get started. So we're going to actually conceal under the eye and we're using the Wet n Wild in medium peach. So yeah, hope everybody is having a good day. I know I have had a good day so far. All right, and I'm gonna pat. Same here. All right. But I'm gonna also take it down my nose, the bridge of my nose, just a little bit. There we go. And we're gonna do the same method. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna need you. Just taking a couple of the brushes I would need out. And then take those and here it is. So we're going to be using a old face powder as a setting powder, and that is my Revlon Toffee. So yeah, that's what we're going to be using as a setting powder. Just gonna use that. And on the bridge of the nose, a little bit on the bridge of the nose. All right. And today we're going to go back to one of our oldie but a baby eyeshadow palette. And we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day one. And we're going to take this brush, and we're going to take, before I actually do this, hope I'm almost going to get, let me put my eyeshadow primer on. And we're going to do a couple of mixture with this right here today. We're going to mix that, and let me, here we go. We're going to be using this right here. And the next one we're going to be using is the Color Tarte one as well. Let's see if it, and it did. And now we're going to use that. All right. So we're going to be using this color right here. And we're just going to put it in the crease. And let me see how it's turning out. Actually, it's turning out pretty well. I actually like it. We're going to, we're just going to just take it and we're just going to blend it. Just get it. All right. So let me check that. I actually am liking it. But we're going to take this deeper purple and put it in the crease as well. So let me show you that. That's this deeper purple right there. And we're just going to just come middle ways and go backwards. So I can see what's going on. So middle ways and backwards. All right. Then we're going to take this brush right here and we're just going to do it. We're just going to bring it in a little. And we just blend it. All right, so we're going to take this brush right here and we're going to take this pinky looking color right here and we're just going to add that to the lids. And that's it. And we're going to take this brush right here and we're just going to loving the look. So we're going to take this right here. Hold on. We're going to take this right here. We're just going to just do this in the crease. We're just and you're going to take this brush. Make sure you blend that out. I'm making sure I give this a good blend out. It's there, but it's very faint. And that's what I want. And I'm going to go over this a bit. All right. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to take this big brush right here, and we're going to take my new pressed powder, and that's in the Revlon Color Stay and Cappuccino. That's 410, and I will leave all the listings at the bottom. So we're going to take this, and we're going to take, let's see, we're going to take tourmaline, this color right here, and we're just going to just and I'm just going to put a little bit in the hair, right on the hairline, and going back through with this, and we're just going to blend that out a little, and the one part on the hairline as well. And before I get through, I'm going to take this brush and just put a little bit of that same color down the bridge of my nose. All right. And then there we go. Now we're going to do the brows. And we're just going to take our time. Right. We're going to take this brush. Even though this does have this type of brush on here, I like to take this brush and help my define, let me just say, define my brows. Love it. Thing we're going to do is we're going to use this color called Vintage Romance for to finish off the look. And this is by the Believe Beauty collection. Get a paper towel for a minute. I'm going to show you a trick I use for my lips. Okay. And we're also going to be using also by the Believe collection called fireBarry. And there you go. Oh my God, let me make sure, y'all. Perfect. You get this nudie or dark lip color. I love this color. I love the look. Let me hear from y'all. Do y'all love this beautiful, and I mean beautiful Valentine's Day makeup look? Until then, y'all, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.